Random Hugs Revolution.
Our Walt Disney World trip consisted of a one-night celebration for a party of 5. So we booked a 2-room suite at Bay Lake Towers at the Contemporary with a parking lot view. A most magical moment happened when I went to check in and I was informed that we had been upgraded to a 3-room grand villa with a theme park view. The villa has 4 bathrooms, 1 master, this guest bathroom, and then 2 more bathrooms upstairs. They are all fully complete with showers. The bathrooms upstairs have a separate room for the toilet area. One of my favorite things to do while staring at this gorgeous view was counting how many monorails I could see running at one time. We got up to 3. While the room has everything and more, it does not have USB outlets, so make sure to bring your charging boxes. Both the couches, here the love seat and the couch downstairs, fold into sofa beds. will also find a full set of pots and pans, cookie sheets, and every casserole dish that you can think of. Here I'm trying to attempt to show you how cool it is that we had 2 doors, 2 room numbers. You're going to want to take the elevator to the 5th floor, and the 5th floor is what leads you to the walkover, to the monorail, the restaurants, and the shops. Looking straight ahead, you'll see the Fantasia Market, and it is open until 11 o'clock. They have a lot of frozen dinners and different things in their coolers. Straight ahead is the food court area. Chef Mickey's is a character meet and greet, and Contempo Cafe serves food from early in the morning until midnight. Yes, I very much enjoyed my whirlpool bath with lush balm and the view of the castle. Thank you, Disney, for my very magical experience.